10-minute morning workout routine. We're gonna build some amazing strength today. Let's get started with some simple twists to warm up. If you've got a chair nearby, please grab it. We are gonna do some strength exercises that we can use from a chair. The idea with all these workouts is just to get the day started right. A little morning movement, boost our energy, elevate our mood, and encourage us to find movement throughout the day. Imagine this is a bench, and when you're out today and you see a bench, maybe you start to look at it differently. Let's just reach a bit, pick up the pace. Just a quick little warm up here so we can get started. You see that bench, you think, hey, I could do some push-ups, some dips, some planks, some step-ups. So many opportunities to build some strength with the things just in our natural environment. Okay, grab your chair. Let's keep warming up a bit. So just a standing mountain climber. Just nice and easy, just to get the body warm. Go at your pace. Get the knees up if you like. All right. Shake that out. Use your chair if you need. Let's build some strength in the legs. There's nothing better than a simple body squat. As deep as you like. If this doesn't, you can use your chair, and just a little pulse is amazing. Maybe we gradually get a little bit deeper. You can have it in front of you also, which can be helpful to maybe sink a little deeper. Couple more. Good. Let's go to the upper body. Chair. It's back. Nice flat back. A few push-ups. If this doesn't work for you, you can do push-ups on the wall. If this is too easy, come down to the seat of the chair, make it more difficult, go to the floor. Eventually we can get to the floor. But just start where we're at. Couple more. Do your best. Yes. You can build some balance and strength at the same time. You can use a chair if you need, but just a little leg lift to the side. And if you need the chair, it's there. Maybe once in a while you can come focus on your balance. Ooh, yeah. Really get it up there. Great mobility in the hips. Building some amazing leg strength. One more. Other side. These 10-minute workouts, just our starting place. It can be enough. We just want physical activity. We just want to find as many ways to move as we can throughout the day. We don't have to run marathons to be healthy. Just stack Small bouts of movement throughout your day. A couple more. Oh, yes. Oh, and we definitely want to build strength so that we can move through our day with a little bit more ease, a little more strength and confidence. Okay, just hold this where we're in the push-up position in this plank. I'm going to try to do sturdy chair. You're going to shoulder tap. You're going to have to engage the core. We're building arm strength, shoulder, core. Just find a rhythm that works for you. A couple more. Not bad. It's amazing what we can do with a simple chair. Okay. Take a seat. Bring your hands to the edge of the chair. We're just going to dip. So we're working on the triceps here. Even just to hold it. If you're just to come off your chair, if you're working at your desk, and just to come into this isometric exercise and just hold it is a great workout. If you can sink a bit, sink all the way, and gradually you can start to get your feet out, really challenge yourself. This might be best. A couple more. And up. You feel that? Brilliant. Just because they're so powerful. Use your chair if you need. But some squats. You could just do body weight squats, push-ups, and that would be a brilliant workout. If you could find a place to hang, start to be able to pull as well, it's really complete strength workout. This is just about functional fitness. How do we get the most out of our day? Climbing stairs is a breeze. Running to catch a bus, no problem. One more. Brilliant. We're only here for 10 minutes, so let's keep going. We only got about a minute left. Let's come back how we started, but let's increase the pace a bit, just so we get a little cardio in today. So we're strengthening our heart and our lungs, as well as our muscles, but obviously getting a great leg workout here. So just go a little faster than you did during the warm-up. And nice. Let's just sit in our chair and finish with a seated jack. Really stretch it out. Just cool down. This is a great little exercise. Just sitting at the table, reading, doing some work. You just need a little movement stack. Brilliant. Whew. And last couple. Shake it out. Well done. Go out there, be strong, enjoy your day. I will see you again real soon.